There is nothing quite like the feeling of driving a car. It is freedom, it is excitement, it is pure joy. And for those of us who love cars, it is a passion that never fades. But as much as we love the thrill of driving, we also know that safety is paramount. And that is why the Škoda Kushaq impressed us a few months back with its 5-star Global NCAP safety rating. But hey, that's not all. It is now the Škoda Slavia's turn. The Global NCAP authority has awarded this car a 5-star safety rating, and you know what, somewhere in the back of my mind I already knew that the Slavia will score high on safety. Based on the MQB A0ion architecture, this car has really strong underpinnings. But hey, enough of talking, let's do some driving now. The Slavia has scored a 5-star rating for adult as well as child occupants. The Škoda Slavia has a very strong body structure, and the robust underpinnings are one of the biggest USPs of this car. The vehicle gets up to 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold control, electronic stability control, electronic differential locking, multi-collision braking, traction control, brake disc wiping, motor slip regulation, and TPMS. While safety features are important, what also matters is the construction and the engineering of a car, which is why even the dual airbag variant of the Slavia scored 5 stars. Child occupants of the Škoda Slavia received full protection in the front and the side impact tests. The Škoda Slavia scored 29.71 points for adult occupant protection and 42 points for child occupant protection. This is the highest score ever achieved by a car tested by the Global NCAP under the newer, stricter protocols, making it the safest car in India. It is quite satisfying to see Škoda not compromising on safety, and the Slavia follows the highest standards set by Global NCAP. You might be wondering where I am right now. I am at Tamhini, which is on the Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Driving here is pure bliss. The roads are very nice, and overall it is a very engaging experience driving the Škoda Slavia over here. And the 1.5 TSI Evo engine of this car is waiting to be unleashed. So what do? We let the 150 horses prowl. Oh my, what an amazing day to drive. I am all smiles, and this car is handling all the curves and the karts like a dream. The suspension is tuned brilliantly, the engine is responding really well, and this is pure driving nirvana. The 7-speed DSG of the Slavia is doing its job really well. I am of course driving the car in manual mode using the pedal shifter. When the turbo spools just before 2000 RPM, and then the car absolutely flies. I think the tires also have amazing levels of grip the way I am driving the car, and it is, sticking to the road amazingly well. The kind of confidence that I'm getting as a driver, this is something that very few cars offer. The Slavia also comes with a range of premium features like a touchscreen infotainment system, automatic climate control, and a sunroof. And with Škoda's signature attention to detail and some simply clever features, you know that every aspect of this car has been designed with a comfort and enjoyment in mind. All in all, I have had a great day driving the Škoda Slavia. It is the perfect car for someone who wants the thrill of driving and the comfort of a premium sedan. Why don't you take one for a drive yourself? Trust me, you won't regret it. Also, let me tell you something, sedans are here to stay.